Hi, my name is Neff, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can unsubscribe from your email list. So the first thing you want to do is go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for this app called Edison Mail, or you could just look in the description for the download link. And it should look like this when you find Edison email, it should look like this. The first one should be it. You want to click it, install it, but I already installed it, so I'm going to just open it. And now you want to click this right here, and the home menu should pop up. You want to scroll down to the bottom to where it says account, and then you want to add an account. You should get a notification on your Gmail account that it already added the account on this app. I'm going to add this first account, and you see it's verifying the account. If you don't see this allow button, you might want to uninstall the app and install it again and see if you get this. And now you want to click allow, and once you click allow, it's verifying the account. And now you should see right here, you want to click the email you want right there. And now you want to click this button right here and go down to where you see subscriptions, and you should see all your subscriptions right here. The one I'm going to remove for this purpose, it's one that I added for this purpose of the video. So the one I'm gonna unsubscribe from is this one called Classmate. You want to click it, and you should click this, and then there should be a unsubscribe button right there. It says unsubscribed message, like this. And you see, you can go to the unsubscribed and see right there that it's unsubscribed, and you can click the subscribed, and you see the Classmate email subscription is not there anymore. So that's how you unsubscribe from the email list. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.